Hello, my name is Lunan from Tianjin, China. I have been engaged in wood carving for 6 years. I designed a series of small animals figures and used different woods to represent them. I think natural colors are the most beautiful, so all my pieces are stitched in the color of the wood itself. I wanted to give the animals different personalities, so I designed them with different accessories, which would be more interesting. I want to teach you how to make a mini wooden travel case. This suitcase was originally made for the gorilla I designed, because the biggest hobby of the gorillas is listening to music and traveling. So it has headphones and a travel case with it all times. If you like this piece and want to know how it was made, please come and watch it at curiousmondo.com. Thank you. Bye.